gentlemen, a youth icon, a fitness buff, and a wonderful human being. John Abraham, please.
And my rugby buddy. Every time I got into trouble, I could hear Rahul say, pass the ball. Rahul, or was it the other way around? I'm not sure which one. But a man who's really stood by almost anything sporting, especially all the running events, especially the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. Rahul, thank you for being here.
Ladies and gentlemen, this event is, as we all know, one of the largest, it's the largest charity generating platform in the country today.
Initially, I just wanted to be associated with an event that had something to do with sport, and in this case running. But over a period of time, there's a sense of deja vu because we all come and sit here. Sunil just joined us, but all of us sit here every year. Today, it's coming to today, you know, like I said earlier, to sport. But today, I think the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon is me and I am the Mumbai Marathon. So, you know, when we talk about, Rahul can second me on this, you know, when you talk about actors endorsing brands and products, I think this goes way beyond that for us, and you can't even speak of it in the same breath. So then it was the excitement of a child in a candy store saying that, listen, it's got something to do with sport. You know, the feeling of being associated with sport. But today, it's grown so much bigger than sport, and I think, like I just told my people there, it's coming back to another family here. You know, we're all a family. We come back here every year. It just feels very special, you know.
So when the Mumbai Marathon actually started, and I remember both of you talking about it, my first response was the apathy of this city transcends everything. It infects everything. I was absolutely sure for two reasons. One is that Indians didn't run. Forget about Bombayites. Indians didn't run. And second, the apathy that had been inbred into me as a true blue Bombayite who's been spent 41 years here. I myself had begun to despair. That entire case study, believe you me, forget about business schools, will blow anybody's brain anywhere on this planet. It's time to take the Mumbai Marathon outside Mumbai.
Well, first of all, standing next to John at the start of the marathon, I'm at an advantage and disadvantage. The disadvantage is he kind of towers over me. The disadvantage. The advantage is that I get to see everyone stopping there saying, John, wanting to shake his hand.
But you only look at the women.
And you get such an energy there. And you know, and of course the energy of the marathon has to be seen, to be believed. First few years of the marathon, I wasn't actually standing there. I was seeing it on TV.
We would like to celebrate the spirit of Mumbai and its marathoners.
जी पहले तो ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आई थिंक कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू मुंबई एज अ सिटी 10 साल हो चुके हैं एंड आई थिंक वी डन अ एब्सोल्युटली फैबुलस जॉब ऑन द मैराथन स्पिरिट ऑफ मुंबई के बारे में जितना भी कहे वो कम ही है आई थिंक वी आर अ ग्रेट सिटी लेकिन एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि जिस तरीके से उस स्पेशल डे पे मुंबई जिस तरीके से हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस है फ्रॉम द कॉर्पोरेशन टू द पुलिस टू इसी तरह पूरा हिंदुस्तान चले तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा आई जस्ट थिंक इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे
देखिए अब समय हो गया है बहुत देर हो चुकी है कि ये कहने के लिए कि आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए अब अगर आप इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड क्लास एथलीट हैं तो ये जो आखिरी 10 दिन है ये 10 दिन है रिलैक्सेशन के लिए और फोकस के लिए मैं सिर्फ एक चीज़ कहूँगा क्योंकि आई हैव बीन इंटरनेशनल स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन माहौल नया है वहाँ का मौसम बिल्कुल अजीब है वहाँ जाके आप माहौल मौसम ओलंपिक्स विलेज रहन सहन खाना बी कंफर्टेबल ताकि उस दिन पे आप में जो एक मैजिक है यू कैन बी रिलैक्स्ड एंड यू कैन लेट इट आउट बहुत समय ऐसा होता है हमने देखा है बेस्ट टाइमिंग एक होता है और ओलंपिक्स में कहीं उनके बेस्ट टाइमिंग के पास हमारे एथलीट्स नहीं आते हैं दैट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्लामेटाइजेशन एंड द साइकोलॉजिकल गेटिंग यूज्ड टू बीइंग इन एन ओलंपिक्स being in a different place is something that they aren't getting used to. तो मैं यही चाहूँगा कि वो रिलैक्स करें जल्दी जाएं वहाँ पे बैठें get acclimatized, get your mind set and do your best.